Hey traders, not sure if this is going to be a rant or what, but I wanted to provide some advice to new traders. Um, just started a channel here on YouTube on trading, and kind of thinking back on how I was when I was a new trader and some of the things that I was doing. Um, Basically, looking for the magic solution that makes you rich, which just really doesn't exist out there. If I can't watch a video on YouTube without being told that three patterns are gonna change my life in the market and make me rich or something like that. And you know, hopefully I can give you a little bit of information here where something like that doesn't really exist. There's a lot of clickbait on YouTube. I think there's some real people out there. I'm sure that they're making money, but if you see something where somebody says, "Hey, I made $1,800 today," that person was so over leveraged in their trade in order to make that kind of money. It's just it's too risky. Any novice trader can't do it. Um, I shouldn't say can't, but the odds are you're going to lose. I tend to think that the best odds in the market is like a 60-40 chance. You don't know who is on the other side of the trade. The person that's going to win is the person that has the most cash and is willing to risk it, and that's the institutions. You're not going to beat the institutions. Um, they basically manipulate the market. They're going to take the market where they want to take it. Um, you know, Candlesticks, three patterns, whatever, you guys. It, not real. You can keep on searching, watch all the videos that you want, but I spend like an hour in the morning prepping for my trading day, and it's probably a pretty damn boring video. I'm probably making horrible videos, but that's kind of trading, right? I'm plotting and planning every level, knowing that it's only going to be maybe a 60% chance that it's going to succeed, and it's just the way of trading. So I kind of wanted to show, this is like a 5-minute chart of the MES, and you can see how it looks, and this is a tick chart. The pattern looks quite a bit different. Just adjusting the tick count will change the candlesticks. If you're a candlestick trader or something like that, I don't think that stuff works at all. I've got a doji and I've got a topping tail and whatever pattern. I've got I got a hanging man, cloud cover. That isn't real, okay? It's basically all about volume. That's the only real indicator. I've got this, I've got these moving averages on here. So this, is a 14-day. How come this 14-day worked here but didn't work here? This is a 21-day. How come the 21-day kind of worked right here but it didn't work right here? The 14 worked here, didn't work here. Why? If you're watching videos and they're saying, yeah, just take the trade when it touches the line and go for it. That's not knowledge. That's gambling, right? That's not even 60-40 odds. That's 50-50 odds, right? It's like maybe it's going to work and maybe it's not. It's probably even more like 40-60. It's probably not going to work. Real traders, institutions, algos, they don't care about this line. This line is different when you put it on a different time frame. You know, the touch of this line completely different on a 5-minute chart, a 10-minute chart, whatever chart. It's different. Don't trade with moving averages, okay? Stochastics, RSI. Well, hey, look, it's overbought right here. How come this market isn't going down? Look at this thing rip to the upside. You just lost your money. Great. This is a momentum indicator. When it's all the way up here, that means the market's really strong. Look at it rip. It's just telling you that, hey, we've got a lot of momentum. You know, if you're trading off of overbought and oversold, you've got probably less than a 50-50 chance. You've probably got like a 40-60 chance. I'm just, I'm trying to give you some reality. Everybody's running around looking for the secret pattern, the 3 patterns that are going to make you rich. It doesn't exist. If you can't explain why price is doing what it's doing, indicators aren't going to help you at all. And so, I have this search up here, and the search term was proprietary trading firm. You see any candlesticks on any of these screens? These are all ladder charts. Everybody's looking at a ladder chart here. These are the pro traders, right? Who knows? I'm probably gonna get some porn here. Who knows? You see some charts here, but I see a lot of ladders everywhere. Ladders. He's got a level 2 sitting right there. All level 2s right here. Level 2s, level 2s, level 2s. You can see them back here, level 2s, level 2s, level 2s, level 2s. Everybody's trading off of level 2s. Not seeing anything right there. That looks like a level 2 right there. Level 2. I'm not seeing a whole lot of just regular charts in that pattern. Ladders. Why am I pointing this out? Because basically it's about the amount of contracts traded at price. Let's see if I can put it's about this. How much did somebody put into the market at this level? So we're coming back down. Look at all this profile. Look at all this volume, horizontal volume. Where does it trade down to? It trades down to here, which is the top of this, and it bounces because when it left here, basically these people were in control. They were the strong people, and they're going to try and save the market, and they're going to try and buy it. Start to understand why the market trades. Stop looking for the Holy Grail indicator. Learn some price action. Learn why the market does this, back and forth, zigzag pattern, and what's happening. I mean, that's basically what I'm trying to teach people on my channel, but realize that there is no quick solution. You've got to put your time in. You've got to learn how to read the market, and stop looking at indicators. Stop buying what everybody's trying to sell you. More than likely, if they're trying to sell you something, they're not successful. They're not successful because why? Why would I sell you something unless I wanted to make money off of you? That's all I can say. I would maybe write a book and teach you something that would be worthwhile. But, you know, trying to convince you, there's so much fake stuff out there. Please be careful. I know I've paid for mentoring lessons. I've paid for courses. Put your time in. Put your time in. This is how you do it. You need a level 2, or you need some kind of profile. You need to understand that it's, you know, volume at price. This is what everybody's looking at, all the professionals. This is how you tell where people are trading. Start to learn the patterns. Realize that, you know, you've only got a 60-40 chance of success, even on the best trades. Trading's not easy. It's nothing like anybody advertises. And if you disagree, write me a comment. Tell me I'm full of crap, and I'll read the comments and reply. Take care.